You have 10 minutes to create a delicious breakfast recipe and you're getting late for work or school. Try out this easy and simple one-pan sausage and green bean stir-fry recipe, which is going to turn out delicious and flavorful. And to add in some carbs to my plate, I have some pancakes which are fluffy, soft, and also mouth-watering, which makes this breakfast totally worth it because it will keep you going throughout the day. This breakfast recipe is for 1 to 2 people, so you can double up the amount of ingredients and maybe make some brunch for Saturday or Sunday for your family. So the ingredients are very simple, and I have some green beans over here and carrot. I have tomatoes for plating my delicious breakfast, Smokies. You can also use sausages, some cooking oil, ketchup, salt, and pepper. Straight into cooking my delicious breakfast. I'm going to place a small pan over medium-high flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm going to wait for around a minute so that the cooking oil can get hot. Once your cooking oil is ready, you're going to place in your sausages, and then you're going to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes on all sides until the sausages are ready. So we are adding in some very lovely golden brown color to our sausages. So I'm going to reduce the flames to medium-low once the cooking oil is ready. Then I'm going to wait for the sausages to slowly cook. I'm shallow frying my sausages, so once they have a lovely color just like this, they're ready. So I'm going to place on a paper towel so that the sausages can drain off the excess oil. And because this is a one-pan recipe, I'm going to be using the same oil, the same pan to saute my green beans and carrots. So I'm going to carefully add into my pan. Then I'm going to saute for around 1 minute. I want the green beans not to overcook and the carrots to soften up a little bit with a little bit of crunch. So as my green beans and carrots are cooking, I'm going to add in some black pepper for some flavor and salt for seasoning. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, salt, toast the green beans and carrots. Reduce the flames to low so that the green beans and carrots can cook. Then I'm going to be slicing my sausages. So I'm going to place my spatula aside, remove my paper towel and carefully slice my sausages. As you can see, they have a very bright green color. That means that the green beans are not overcooked and the carrots have softened. So I'm going to add in my sliced sausages into the pan. Add in a little bit more salt to fully season the dish. Ketchup. Then I'm going to toss in the sausages, green beans, and carrots together with the ketchup. Cook everything for around 1 to 2 minutes, and this looks absolutely incredible and delicious. Let me tell you, the aroma in the kitchen is so good. And I love breakfast recipes that take no time to prepare, such as this one. After 2 minutes, my sausage and green beans stir fry is ready. The veggies are sauteed to perfection and the sausages are coated with the delicious ketchup. Everything is very flavorful and well seasoned. So it's time to plate my delicious breakfast. For breakfast, you need carbs. So I have some pancakes over here. So I'm going to place into my plate. You need a filling breakfast to keep you going throughout the day. So pancakes are the real deal. And to learn how to make these delicious pancakes, you can check up here or in the description box for the full recipe. So I'm going for 4 pancakes. Yeah. Place the rest of the pancakes aside, and then I'm going to be plating up my very delicious sausage and green beans. Placing some tomatoes, and my breakfast is ready. So it has taken me around 10 minutes to prepare my mouth-watering, very flavorful and filling breakfast. And yeah, I'll surely enjoy each and every single bite because my pancakes are fluffy, delicious, and still warm. And my sausage and green bean stir fry is mouth-watering. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this perfect breakfast recipe.